In this video, I will show you how to solve the problem of we remove your content, or you see something like this image, we remove your content, see why. Then when you click on the see why, it will tell you your content goes against our community standard. They may normally give you one of them. This one, they say it goes against this community standard on cyber security. Then when you click on see rule, it says that we don't allow people to try to gather sensitive information or share malicious software. Examples of things that we don't allow: getting access to accounts or data without permission, encouraging someone to give away their password or username, using phishing or malicious software to get someone's login. That is what those are the reasons they give. And then when you go further, okay, so it says read full policy. So you click on this, it will take you to the policy where you can view everything. Now, when you come to what you need to do, you can see here, you click on how we made this decision to know about, you come to the notification, all those notifications that you've had, and then take a screenshot of those notifications. Okay, in this case, there are about 5 of them. They are just saying that your content was removed. We don't even know what content they have removed. So normally when you click on it, you will be able to see in some cases, you may have an option to appeal. So when you see the option to appeal, then you click on it. But this looks like there's no option to appeal from here. So what we rather do is that we'll report it to the notification team. So you come, click on it. So if your own, you don't have option for the appeal, then you click on the 3 dots. You see report issue to the notifications team. Then you see help us improve Facebook or something went wrong. So you click on help us improve. Then it says include complete logs and diagnostics in report. Information about your device, there's this. So you can click on don't include, just describe in detail whatever happened, then add a screenshot, then write whatever you want to write here and submit. So this is what I wrote. I said, I just received about 6 notifications that say we removed your content because it goes against our policy on cybersecurity. It does not show me which content is removed. And when I read the full policy on cybersecurity, I can see I haven't violated any of them. I am sure this is a technical problem from your end. Please resolve this. Please resolve it for me. So you can put this in commas. Your reason may be different, but whichever it is, you have to put it in commas. We removed your content because whatever it is, you put it in commas for them to know that this is the exact message you received from the notification. So after you add the screenshot, you click on submit. As it is submitted, they will review whatever feedback you gave, and after some within 48 hours, they will update you on the status of the review. And if these are actually by mistake, they will reinstate them for you. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell and like this video for other more powerful videos like this. Once again, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.